ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 79 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6 ಭುವನ ಮೋಹನ ರೂಪ ರುಚಾ ತದಾ ವಿವಶಿತಾಖಿಲ ರಾಜ ಕದಂಬಯಾ ತ್ವಮಪಿ ದೇವ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷ ವಿಮೋಕ್ಷಣೈಃ ಪ್ರಮದಯಾಮದಯಾಂಚಕೃಷೇ ಮನಾಕ್. Word by word meaning. Tada, then, Bhuvana Mohana Rupa Rucha, the beauty of whose form captivated the whole world. Vivashitakila Raja Kadambaya, Vivashitani, bewitched. Akhilani, the entire. Raja Kadambani, the assembly of kings, by whom all the kings assembled were bewitched. Pramadaya, by that lady Rukmini. Kataksha Vimokshanaihi, by the casting of sidelong glances. He Deva, O Lord. Tvam api, thou also. Manak, a little. Madayangcha Krishe, were enchanted. Full meaning. Then, O Lord, even thou wert a little enchanted by the sidelong glances of Rukmini, the beauty of whose form captivated the whole world, and who bewitched all the kings assembled there. Om Tat Sat.